Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am coming back to you with another makeup tutorial. Today I'm doing an olive green fall eyeshadow look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, continue to watch and stay tuned. Love you guys. First, I am going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan and just priming my eyelids because we want these colors to pop. And you want to have a very, very bright base underneath. So your lightest concealer, you want to use that. It should be at least 3 to 4 shades lighter than your skin tone. And I'm blending that out with a Real Techniques blending brush. And just take your time doing this. Next, I'm going to set that with my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm using an e.l.f. blush brush to just apply that powder. Next, we're going to take our Jacyln Hill palette, and I'm using that turquoise color at the bottom, which is called Jada. And I'm applying that to my crease, and I am using the Morphe M535 brush to just blend that out. And you want to continue to build this color. You want to tilt your head in different angles to get you the blend that you need and to get the color exactly where you need it on your eye, the crease of your eye. And I blended this for about 10 minutes. Next, I'm going to take a more defined brush, which is my Morphe M441 brush, and I am taking that dark olive color, which is the color Enchanted, and I'm applying that directly into my crease and outer third corner of my eye because we want to darken this look, add some dimension. Then I took another Morphe blending brush. I cannot find that brush to save my life, but I'll have the name of it in the description box. And it's clean, and I'm just blending out those edges so that way we can blur that color out. Next, I am taking that same palette and taking Abyss, and I'm taking my BH Cosmetics definer brush. It came in a set. You can see it on their site. They have really good sales, so check out BH Cosmetics. And I'm applying that to the outer third corner of my eye, and then also taking that up into my crease because we want to add more depth and dimension, and then also more color. Like, we want this to pop. Going back with the Morphe M441 to just blend out the harsh lines in that crease because we don't want to walk around crazy. And it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to blend each color after I apply. This is another BH Cosmetics brush. If it's a regular flat concealer brush, you can take any concealer brush that you have and just take your time to cut out and carve out your lid space to get you that perfect cut crease. And I use the Tarte Shape Tape to do that in the color Tan. Next, I am taking my Juvias Place palette, which is the Nubian 2 palette, and that is the color Egypt that I am applying to my lid. And you want to just be generous with this. I should have wet it to have it more pigmented, but I think it turned out great anyways. And I'm taking a regular concealer brush and just applying that, any flat concealer brush you have. Next, I am taking Huda out of the Saharan palette from Juvias Place. And it's like a light lime green, but I just wanted to brighten up that lid area just so we can have a green that pops. And I'm taking some random brush that I ordered from eBay like years ago. Now, I love this foundation, Huda Beauty, in the color Nutmeg 520G. That is my perfect match, my perfect shade. I am taking a flat kabuki brush, some random brush I got, again, off of eBay, and just applying that to my face and taking stippling lotions. This is my Clinique concealer, and I'm just taking that and adding that to my under eye, above my lip, my chin, and then also my forehead. It is called Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer, and I am the shade 24. That's the color that I love. Blended that out with a Morphe blending sponge, beauty sponge, whatever you want to call it. It gives you this airbrush look. Taking that Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan again. And I'm taking a paintbrush, it's actually a paintbrush, and just applying that down the bridge of my nose. I love to have my under eye and my nose highlighted because I get more of a contoured look and a highlighted effect. I'm taking a Sephora brush in the number 31 and blending that out down my nose and my finger. Then applying that Tarte color again under my eye with the Clinique concealer, so that way it's not too bright. I am a woman of color, so I'm not trying to look like Casper. Blending that out with a Real Techniques blending brush, and just take your time with blending, you know. Taking the beauty blender because you want to get into the creases very, very well. Next, I am taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color Earth, and I am taking a NYX dual fiber brush, the number 8, to blend that out, and I'm going right on my contour line and taking that across my forehead as well to give me more of a to give me more of a bronzy look and bring color and dimension back to my face. I took Sacha Buttercup and Laura Mercier, mixed it together, and set my under eyes and everywhere that I placed that concealer. I actually set my entire face with this combination because I absolutely love the look that it gives me afterwards. It gives you more of a micro, what am I talking about? It gives you more of an airbrush look. And then I'm also an oily girl, so I just think the more powder the better. And I'm taking that e.l.f. blending brush, blush brush, and applying that powder and pressing it into my skin because, like I said, I have oily skin. I set my entire face. Then I'm going to take the Sephora Warm palette, and I'm taking the darkest shade in that palette and applying that with a BH Cosmetics brush. It's a blush brush, which is really big and fluffy. It's really good. Going back into the Morphe Jacyln palette, taking Jada again and running that across the bottom of my eye with that defined BH Cosmetics brush. This just brings the look together. I applied my lashes and my eyeliner off camera, and right now I am using the MAC Chestnut lip liner to line my lips. This is the perfect brown, especially for the fall. It actually is all year round. I love this brown. Like, you'll see a lot of these lip combos all the time. Now I am taking the NYX Lingerie lip pencil, liquid lipstick, and it is the color Satin Ribbon. I'm taking this random brush and blending it out. Going back into that Sephora Warm palette and taking the highlighter shade, that is the golden shade, and putting that on the high points of my cheek, under my brow bone, down the bridge of my nose. You know, the regular schmegular degular stuff. Taking VYS setting spray and setting my face, and this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. So make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video with your friends and family, because we are trying to grow this channel. We are trying to slay. We have things to offer to the world, so I need y'all to spread the word. I love you guys. More videos come soon. Gonna come. Peace.